Naalala mo ba nung nag-propose ka sa Kuala Lumpur? Sa ilalim ng Petronas Tower. Same thing ngayon, umulan, umaraw, umulan, at ngayon nawala na yung ulan. Iba yung saya nun. Not because of the place, but because ikaw yung nag-propose.
Through all these years, I saw your heart. Nakita ko kung gaano ka selfless, especially when it comes to your family. You give so much of yourself without asking for anything in return. That quality, yung puso mo, yun ang minahal ko sa'yo noon at mas minahal pa ngayon.
Sa pagsasama niyo simula sa araw na ito, Adrian at Sherlyn, mas dodoblehin niyo pa yung pag-a-adjust. No? Hindi na lang ito malilimitahan sa takong ng sapatos, kundi marami kayong bagay na gagawin na hindi niyo ginagawa noon. At marami kayong bagay na ginagawa niyo noon na hindi niyo na pwedeng gawin ngayon.
Sorry kasi medyo na late bago ikasal. Hindi mo na abutan. Pero alam ko masaya ka dyan.
Pinatunayan mo na ako lang at ako pa rin ang pipiliin mo. Kahit 16 years na tayong magkasama. That moment confirmed what I've always known, na ikaw talaga ang tahanan ko.
Ang isa sa pinakamalaking adjustment na pwede niyong gawin ay yung talaga pong handa na kayong unawain at patawarin ng isa't isa. Lagi.
16 years. Grabe, no? Parang ang bilis ng panahon.
The day that I met you, the world had just spit me out.
Pero bawat araw,
On my way to the bottom,
bawat taon,
never be found.
ramdam ko pa rin yung kilig.
Then you
Yung
saw
lambing.
me for me, made me
At yung peace na ikaw lang ang nakapagbibigay.
Ay, English to In English ako.
that I met you.
Hello, love. I want you forever and ever
You
always.
said close your eyes, don't look down. Fall into me, and I'll catch you, darling. We'll dance in the street like nobody's watching. It's just you and me, and the song will repeat in my head, playing over and over. I'm drunk on
Para may lalagyan ka na ng pasensya mo sa akin. Just kidding.
twice. If that's what you wanted, I'd give you my life.
Promise ko kay Papa na hindi ko iiwan si Mama. Kasi ako yung bunso. So, kahit na mag-asawa, alam naman ni Mama yun.
Until I had met you.
Mula noong una mo akong nakilala, hanggang ngayon, I promise that my love for you will never change. Hindi ako magsasawang iparamdam sa iyo yung araw-araw. I promise to be your partner in everything, to listen with you and to hold your hand through all of life ups and downs.
Oh, I love you so much. I love you more.
Goodbye, my son. Good luck.
Said close your eyes, I got you now. Fall into me, and I'll catch you, darling. We'll dance in the street like nobody's watching. It's just you and me, and the song on repeat in my head, playing over and over. I'm drunk on your voice, high on the moment. I fall for you twice. That's what you wanted. I give you my life, from now till forever. I'm falling in love with you over and over again.
Pangako na hindi lang kita mamahalin. Kakampi mo ako palagi.
With you.
Kahit sa hirap, kahit sa gulo, kahit sa hindi pagkakaintindihan.
I'm falling,
Ipapanalo natin lahat. Ikaw at ako,
I'm falling
magkasama hanggang
with you
dulo.
over and over. Fall into me, and I'll catch you, darling. Let's dance in the streets like nobody's watching. It's just you and me, and the song on repeat in my head, playing over and over. I'm drunk on your voice, high on the moment. I fall for you twice. That's what you wanted. I give you my life, from now till forever. I'm falling in love with you over and over again.
16 years ago, I was just a guy
I'll
na
catch you,
umaasa na
darling.
makuha
Let's
ang number
dance
mo.
in the streets.
Today, I
Nobody's
stand here
watching.
as
It's
the
just you
luckiest
and
man
me.
about
The
to
song
win
on
your heart
repeat
forever.
in our heads.